So we have a signal coming in on channel 7, which is our vocal feed. We can PFL it just to monitor the level coming in. I've got it set quite low for the purpose of this, because it's quite a hot signal coming from the stage area. So what we need to do is turn up the auxiliary master control that we've used for our reverb, which is in this case is number 6. So we turn auxiliary 6 all the way up to full. Because we're using a post-fade auxiliary, we need to have the channel fader turned up. So I'm going to route it into mix just so I can hear that we've got a vocal coming through.
2. Test, test, 1, 2.
Okay, so we know we've got an input signal working. For the purpose of this, I'm just going to take it out of the mix so we're not listening to that. I'm going to turn my fader back up. What I can now do is turn auxiliary 6 up on that channel strip to send a desired amount to the reverb unit. So as I turn auxiliary 6 up, I'm watching the reverb unit and waiting for an input signal to appear. Because we're returning on channel 24, we need to set our input level for that particular channel. So we're going to press PFL, and then we're going to turn the gain up until we can see a signal coming in. And this would be a purely reverb signal coming back into the desk. I'm going to turn my master faders up so that I can hear the vocal. Following this, I'm going to route the reverb return into the mix and turn the channel fader up.
2, 1, 2. Test, test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
We've currently used a plate reverb on this, but if you wish to use a different preset, there are a variety that we can select using the rotary controller. We can also fine-tune the reverb itself using pre-delay, decay and colour to affect the length and the tone of the reverb tail.